Hey, what's up everyone? So it's raining out, so we're at the Superstore Guildford Underground, and we got my rail we raised up, Jared in the background, and he brought his little mini box. City of Surrey definitely needs to build a roof over the skate park or an indoor. Yeah, so we're just gonna have a good sesh and have a good time. Unfortunately, we're getting kicked out of Superstore, even though we had no problems the other day. But we're gonna go try the mall now because it's after hours. Buddy was nice enough to give us another like 10-15 minutes. So that was really nice of him. But yeah, this sucks. He said you gotta build a roof over the parks or an indoor park something. So we're at the mall underground now, a different one. The mall's closed, it's after hours. So we figured if we're out in the corner, we should be okay. We'll see. What? No, I don't got a lighter, sorry. Yeah, you too. So we're hoping that if we just skate flat ground for a bit and don't get kicked out, we can just skate here. But time will tell. The city needs to build an indoor or covered skate park. Yeah. Phew. So far, so good. Haven't been kicked out, no security, so knock on wood, and hopefully we can just keep skating. Just got kicked out by mall security again. Same guy from the other day. So he's just like, we told you no mall property, but hey man, we're just trying to have fun. It's not like we're out robbing people, breaking into cars or vandalizing stuff. We're just trying to exercise, skate and chill. So he understands, but it's like a liability issue. So I'm gonna make a meeting to go talk to the head security, and then at Superstore we're gonna talk to the manager and see what's going on. And I'm gonna start having to do meetings with the city of Surrey to figure something out, because this is kind of ridiculous.